Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to solve Deepseek verification code not receiving. So if you also want to solve Deepseek verification code not receiving, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So when you're trying to create an account on Deepseek, you'll be required to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. Sometimes that verification code might not be sent to you. That happens because many people are trying to sign up for Deepseek account right now. It is getting a lot of popularity, so many users are trying to create their account. So the registration might be busy. That might be the reason you're not receiving the verification code. For example, you can see over here I have opened the Deepseek application. After you enter the email address and enter your password, you'll be required to tap on the option send code. After that, you can see over here the code will be sent to you, but you might not be able to receive the code. In that case, what you have to do is wait for 60 seconds. After that, you'll be able to request a new code. Simply wait for a while. After 60 seconds, you can see over here, you'll be able to request for new code again. You'll again be able to find the option for send code. All you have to do is tap on it again. When you try this for a few times, you'll be able to receive the code. Simply open Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Deepseek has sent me the verification code. Like this, you'll also be able to receive the verification code. Just exercise your patience, try a few times. After that, you'll be able to receive the verification code. If you're still not being able to receive the verification code, it might be because the registration is very busy right now. So try again later. After that, you'll be able to receive the verification code and you'll be able to create your account. So that is how you fix Deepseek verification code not receiving. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.